Hey everyone, I know it's been a while, but I'm back with a little Owlcrate opening. I just got it today, so woohoo! This is the April box, which was Shadows and Secrets, I believe, is what this one was. So I'm just pulling out, sorry, we're dog sitting, so you might hear some little toes out there. Okay, so I've just pulled out the little card, and it says Owlcrate. It's got the little logo for today, and just tells you what kind of is in here. So let's see. Some confetti, of course, naturally. Oh yes, okay. So the first thing I'm pulling out here is I think this is coffee, but I'm not really sure. It says deadly dark chocolate and sea salt by Bones Coffee. So I'm not sure if it actually is coffee or like hot chocolate or something. Personally, I'm kind of hoping that it's hot chocolate because I don't really drink coffee. Oops. Oh well, I can gift this to somebody, I'm sure. Okay, so next is we've got this little sticker. I think it says everyone has darkness inside them, however hidden. So there you go. It's pretty. That's really nice, actually. Very spooky. And we've got the button, of course, with the logo. That's good. That'll go on my bag. I've got a bag that I take to my school with me. That's got all my buttons on it. All right, so next thing. Ooh, we got some soap. This is Wildberry Shadow Hunter soap. It's by Three Sisters Apothecary. And oh my goodness, this is such a nice little like box in there. It's got like little designs around it. Oh, that's so pretty. It says tart and crisp berries are artfully blended to nurture and support skin health and naturally. So there we go. Let's see if I can get this out for sniff. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ooh. I'm getting a very strong kind of black licorice kind of smell. So I don't know how I'm going to feel about that one. I'm not really a fan of black licorice, but I'll give it a try. Okay, next we've got some Harry Potter pencils. They're really cute. One says property of the Half-Blood Prince. One says mischief managed, and one says I solemnly swear that I'm up to no good, which is great. I like that. It's by Jubilee Design Studio, so that's really cute. I like them. I love the colors too, the red and the black. Very nice. Okay, next, I believe this is another pillowcase in here. I think. Yep, I think I'm right. So, oh, this is really cool. Ooh, so it says, I don't remember what book this is from. Maybe you guys will know, but it says when you can't beat the odds, change the game. There we go. So I don't remember what that's from, but this is a really nice pillowcase. That's two now because we got one a couple of boxes ago. Okay, next is we've got a little excerpt booklet. Ooh, from the second Caraval novel. This one's called Legendary. The Caraval novel came in, I want to say like September, Owlcrate? I'm not sure, but it definitely has been recent. Okay, next is the book. So, we have got a book by Amanda Foodie. Oh, that's a cute name. Amanda Foodie. All right. There we go. So we've got a little like, I don't know, little info card kind of thing here. On the back, it's got just a little note from the author, which is really cute. All right, so our book, if you did not know, is called Ace of Shades instead of Ace of Spades. It says take a card and stake your soul. So that sounds exciting. I'll give this a quick read. All right, so I just read the little cover flap blurb, and this actually sounds really cool. So it's kind of, I don't know, I got a distinct kind of Gotham feel where it's this girl stuck in, she's a proper lady, and you know, then something happens and now she has to get involved with like the seedy criminal underbelly of the city. Yeah, I think it's going to be interesting. I normally really love like fantasy with you know, magic and what have you, but this actually sounds really cool, so I think I'll enjoy that. I'll read it, let you know. And then the last thing in here, is just a little, it's just a little book full of like questions, a little interview with the author. And there's that logo again. And then we've got the theme for next month, so May, which is Fight Like a Girl. So there's the little card, which is super pretty, and there is the little sneak peek, also very pretty. Apparently there will be an exclusive bath bomb. So if bath bombs are your thing, you should get an Owlcrate for next month. Yeah, so that is it for this one. I hope you enjoyed. I know it's been forever since I've made a video, but yeah, school's been busy, but that's okay. So if you did like this, feel free to give a little comment there if you've gotten Owlcrate before and what you thought of your box. And subscribe if you want, and you know, hit that little bell icon so you'll be notified when I post videos. So thanks guys, bye!